According to experience, every award-winning coach knows how necessary it is to adapt plan to situation, especially on the field of play. Here, the playbook is tossed aside. Instinct kicks in. They improvise when the situation changes, like as soon as the weather changes or injury strikes in. Plans are not cast in stone. They are guidelines, not rigid structure. A plan should serve as a roadmap providing direction, but it should also allow for detour and unexpected stops. To execute plan successfully, you need to factor in unforeseen circumstances. Planning is essential. However, it is not the be all or end all of life. Life sometimes is unpredictable. Circumstances changes. Therefore, ability to adapt or to pivot and learn from unforeseen situations often overweighs most detailed plans. The best laid out plan may not lead to the expected determination, but it can lead to a journey that paves way for learning, growth, and unexpected surprises. If you may ask me, this is exactly what life is all about.